Supply chains consist of many different partners, from manufacturers and distributors to hauliers and retailers. Each part of the chain can become vulnerable to disruption, and without access to real-time traceable information, it can be difficult to plan for or respond to problems. The Internet of Things provides the opportunity for supply chains to become more connected, and for partners in the supply chain to improve their planning and performance. Let's look at an example. This vessel is about to arrive in a UK port. It's full of containers with goods ordered by different importers. A bay plan maps out the current location of all the containers on board. The haulier, due to pick up the containers from port and deliver them to a warehouse, has a fleet ready and waiting. But without access to up-to-date data on a vessel's estimated time of arrival and bay plan, the port cannot plan the unloading optimally, and the haulier cannot plan its fleet until the vessel docks. They won't know when the container is cleared by customs to be collected, or how long it will take to retrieve a container from the stacking yard. This can lead to long waiting and traffic congestion at the port. Disruptions then spread along the supply chain to the importer, who now faces delays. But by creating an IoT data integration platform where the port, the vessels, the haulier and the importer input their information in real time, everyone can have a clearer view of the situation. Meaning decisions can be made much more effectively. For the haulier, they can book container pickup slots before the vessel arrives. The slots are constantly updated, reflecting the container's readiness. As for the port, they can stack containers in reasonable locations in the yard, setting up for later pickups. This more efficient process ensures more goods are delivered on time and cost-effectively.